how many months and how much should you contribute kay SSS to get the 70,000 maximum benefit. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gigi and I make contents about adulting, personal finance, travel, and now pregnancy. So if you have questions about pregnancy, nesting, kasi hindi ko naman masasagot lahat ng mga tanong ninyo, you can join in our Facebook group, The Wais Mom. So we share there the nesting, the pregnancy checklist, the government benefits that you should not miss, and also if you want me to help you compute your contribution kung magkano nga ba makukuha mo kay SSS, you can post it here in our community. Okay, mommies, for you to avail the maximum maternity benefit ni SSS na 70,000 pesos, kailangan mo lang ng 1, tamang contribution, and 2, tamang number of months. So number 1, the contribution amount. SSS calculates your maternity benefit based on your monthly salary credit or the MSC. All you need to have is 20,000 na monthly salary credit with a contribution of 3,000 pesos per month to avail the 70,000 pesos. Before I give an example, step 2 muna tayo. Ilang months ka dapat naghuhulog kay SSS? Basically, kahit 3 months lang ang mahulugan mo sa qualifying period, may makukuha ka pa ring benefit. But, since we're talking about the maximum 70,000 pesos, so eto, ginawan ko na kayo ng example. Let's say you are an employee and normal kang nanganak with an expected due date of June 2026. Now, your qualifying period is January 2025 to December 2025. You need to have at least 6 months worth of contribution within your qualifying period, at least 3,000 pesos. So for example, let's say sa January, wala kang contribution. February, meron kang 20,000 pesos na monthly salary credit. March, April, so meron kang 3,000 pesos na mga contribution. Until July 2025. Ngayon, nawalan ka ng trabaho. August, September, October, November, December, hindi ka na nakapag-contribute. You can still get the maximum 70,000 pesos employee at 105 days just because you and your employer has contributed at least 3,000 pesos per month sa SSS mo. Okay, I'm going to share this calculator doon na lang sa group natin sa Wais Moms PH, so you can also compute your contribution kung magkano ang makukuha mo. And by the way, a lot of you has been asking in my previous video kung anong sunblock na ginagamit ko. I'm using this one. This one is from Lux Organics. It's 5-in-1 UV Pro Whitening. And ito lang talaga ang pregnancy safe na sunblock na nakikita ko kay Watsons. Oh my God. We are not allowed to wear chemical sunscreen. And look, this one is pure mineral. Okay? So there you go. I hope I have answered your questions and see you in my next pregnancy guide.